Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Z, and in today's video we'll be talking about relocating to Australia. So this is going to be like a step-by-step guide. I'll be guiding you guys, showing you guys what I was talking about in my previous video, and then we'll take it up from there. So before we get into this video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I've decided to do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So what this means is that when we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away Smeg appliances, because I love anything to do with home styling, anything to do with just making your home look good, and also cooking and stuff like that. Buying appliances and giving away appliances would be relevant, because that's mostly what we do on this channel. So if you are watching, because I did check my stats and I saw that 70% of the people that are watching on this channel are not subscribed. So you guys need to hit the subscribe button. I'm sure it's somewhere here. If it's not here, it's on this side. Please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and make sure that starting from today moving forward, you comment in all my videos or any of my videos. So the more comments that you have, that increases the chances of you winning these appliances. So I'll be giving away a breakfast pack. So that is, well, but I'm gonna split that into two. So we'll have two lucky winners, because I'll be giving away a Smeg toaster and a Smeg kettle. So we'll have two people that are gonna win these, any of these two, right? And if I can't, because I know that some people that are watching this channel are not in South Africa or Zimbabwe or in Australia. So even if you're in Australia, you can still win this. Any country that you're in, if I'm unable to purchase the appliance online and send it to you, what I'll do is we'll talk. I'll announce the winners, and then they'll need to contact me. Then we'll talk, and then I could either send them cash, or if I'm able to purchase the appliance for them and send it online, that's what I'm going to do. So I was just looking online, some of the appliances I just checked on Take A Lot. That's the South African website. Okay, so the toaster is 2,800 and the kettle is 2,850. So I'm going to be giving away either cash, or then you go and buy the appliance for yourself, or I'll be giving away the appliance itself. So that's up to the winner, and I will have the discussion on what I'll be giving away. If I can't give you the toaster and I can buy the toaster online and get it delivered to your door, I will just send you the money. So if you want to win any of these two appliances, please make sure that from today moving forward, you comment in my comment section and you also subscribe, hit the subscribe button. So yeah, let's move forward. So I'll be screen recording. Let me just turn on my screen recorder right now. Right, I need to close this Take A Lot thing. So remember guys, last time when we had this chat about relocating to Australia, I did tell you guys that you need to go onto the government website. So I'm gonna put right now I'll be screen recording, and then I'm gonna put the recording somewhere here. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go through this search with you guys step by step. So what we're going to do is we are going to go on to, just open your Safari, open your Google, and you search. Let's search critical skills. So the first thing that you want to do is to search critical skills list Australia 2023. That's what I have found here. Sorry, let me just start afresh, guys. I'm sorry. Critical skills list Australia 2023, right? And then the first on the page, what I'm seeing right now is the first link is going directly to the government website, and that's the link that we want. So it does say imi.homeaffairs.gov.au. So you will click on that one that says skilled occupation list, immigration and citizenship, home affairs, right? So once you click on that one, I'm just gonna wait for my internet. Today it's been acting up, so yeah, just bear with me. So once you click on that link, it will take you to this page. So this page, you need to read, guys. So this page has a lot of information about the skilled occupation list, like which professions are there, and also I'm just gonna put my glasses on so that I can see what I'm doing here. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna scroll down and go right down where it says skilled occupation list, and there's like a search icon. So in there, like the search bar, we are going to type developer, because I'm going to be talking about things that I know. I'm not going to be talking about things that I don't know. So I've typed developer and hit the search button, and as you guys can see, we have developer programmer. So this is the IT thingy. This is for software engineers, software developers. So if you fall under developer programmer, your ANSCO code is 261312. You need to know the code. It's very important, and also the visa options that are available for you. So as you guys can see, these were the visa options that were available for us. So we have the 186 employer nomination scheme, and that's the one that we are on. It's a permanent residence visa. And we also have the 189 skilled independent. It's points tested. And we also have the 190 skilled nominated. This one, it's another permanent resident visa option. And then we do have some that are like temporary, like the 482 and the 491, whatever. Those are the temporary visas. We were not interested in any of these visas because, I mean, there's so many advantages of having a permanent residence visa in Australia. One example is that if you come and you're a permanent resident, you will get like Medicare, so that means that you don't pay to go to the hospital. But there's a catch. I'm going to tell you guys about the catch later. And also, like with your child care, you do get a subsidy, a government subsidy, because childcare is really expensive in Australia. Daycare is let me try and remember how much I'm paying for my daughter's daycare. It's 100 and I'll have to confirm that for you guys, and I'll let you guys know. Maybe I'll let you guys know in the next video, but I think it's around $150 per day. So we are paying $159 per day. So yeah. It's very important that you consider the permanent residence route. But if you're not going to get like a sponsor, like a company that's going to sponsor you, and by the way, being sponsored by a company doesn't mean that the company will pay for you. It depends with the company that you come with. The company that nominated us for this 186 visa did not pay for anything except for my partner's visa and his lawyer fees. Yeah, that's all that they paid for. We paid for our own flights. We paid for the critical skills assessment. Like I said, we paid for our flights. We paid for the critical skills assessment. We paid for the visa fees for my daughter and I, and also the lawyer fees and flights for everyone. They didn't even pay for him. And we also paid our rent. We never got anything like what do you call this thing? Some people do get like a relocation package, and they give you like maybe a house to stay in for 2 weeks. We never got any of that. We paid everything on our own except for my partner's visa and his visa fees, the lawyer fees, right? Let's go back to the 186, right? So while I'm still talking about the 186, what we need to do is we're going to scroll down and go to the assessing authority. This is now about the skills assessment, where you're going to get your skills assessment. So if you're in the IT industry and maybe you're a software developer or a programmer, you will need to know where you're going to do your skills assessment. So you will click where it says assessing authority. Same applies to any other profession. I'll do accounting just now. So as you guys can see, we are now from the government website. We have clicked a link that has taken us to the ACS. This is not a government it's not a government organization, so it has taken us to the ACS, which is the Australian Computer Society, and this is where you get all the information that you need regarding the skills assessment. So if you click on the menu button, let me see, and then you go to migration skills assessment, and then you click on information for applicants. You will see right at the top it says ICT skills assessment takes 10 to 12 weeks, and to review and appeal an assessment it takes 8 weeks. That is if you get a negative assessment, but I just hope that you get a positive one. And if you scroll down, let me take a look. Yes, if you scroll down, you guys can see now we do have here where it says, sorry, I'm looking down because I'm looking at my phone, so you guys can see it says ACS application checklist. If you are in the IT industry, you need to know that step number 1 is to get your skills assessment. Then we'll just click right back to that search tab, and we're gonna search accountant. We're gonna search for accountant. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the screen while I was tapping. There we go. So as you guys can see, we have accountant general, and the code is 221111, and the available visa options are obviously the 186 employer nomination scheme. That's a permanent residence visa, and there's the 189. It's a point tested, and also the 190. Those are the permanent resident visa options, and I'm sure there's another permanent resident option that is to do with regional area, staying in a regional area, or like being nominated by a family member that is living in a regional area. And then there's the other temporary skilled visas like the 482. So yeah, you guys, if you are you're an accountant and you want to move to Australia, there you go. Australia is looking for accountants. Yeah. It makes sense because in Australia you get paid every week, but it depends with the company that you're working for. Some people do get paid every week. I get paid every week, and other companies you get paid fortnightly, and with other companies you get paid every month. So I mean, there's a lot of work for accountants. That's what it means. I mean, makes sense. So now let's look at the assessing authority for the accountants, because like professions like chartered accountants. So I think the CAANZ, that is the one for chartered accountants. But if you're just a general accountant, maybe you could try the CPA. Look, you have 3 options. You have to go onto any of those links, click on the one that you think applies to you, and then you search, you read, do your research. Take time to read, go through the website, and if you've identified your profession on the critical skills list, then it means you have a shot. You could try and apply. But if you're not on the critical skills list, or your profession is not on the critical skills list, I don't know, maybe you could try other pathways, maybe like trying to come as a student. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Where is it? Is it here? Is it here? Or is it here? Wherever it is, guys. You guys can see the subscribe button. Let me try and think. The subscribe button, it should be on the side. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And comment. I've seen some comments from some other people. Maybe I'll try and just greet the people that have been commenting. I've seen some people commenting. Thank you guys for commenting. It's so encouraging. It shows that I'm not talking to myself here. It helps me, it motivates me to record more videos. But yeah, if you want to enter this competition, if you want to win either the Smake appliance or you opt to get the cash, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.